2018 Isuzu NQR box truck for you. Turbo diesel under the hood, making 210, automatic transmission, working AC in it. The box size is 8 foot by 16 foot 6 roll-up door with aluminum floor and a tailgate. We're gonna get back to that in a second, take a look at it. Come on by, nose and cab looking pretty good. Pretty quiet truck. Pretty neat little roll-up door on the side here. A little noisy. Box looks pretty good from what we can see. We're gonna come around the back. Kevin's gonna run the tailgate for us. Comes down nice and smooth, and it goes up nice and smooth. Does what it's supposed to do. We'll help you out. We'll tell you more about it. Come on by and check it out.
Steve Brandon.
This side of the box looking pretty good for you. Some leftovers from the stickers, nothing terrible. Tires looking pretty good. TEF underneath the cab, underneath the box. If you're heading inside, pretty nice clean truck for you. Again, working AC, automatic transmission on it. Hydraulic brakes on this one. Washers, wipers, city horn, blower. All the lights are good on it. No ABS light on, no check engine light on. Was driven here from a bit of ways away, so it's road tested. Come on by, check it out right here at Arthur Trovey & Sons. The best prices on the East Coast keep getting better.